Water signs, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio, welcome po sa ating channel. At ito ang inyong daily gabay tarot reading for August 30, 2023. Please be reminded that this is general reading po, so maaari kayong makarelate o hindi. Just take what resonates. Gamitin ang reading na ito bilang gabay lamang. Balik po kayo dito bukas para sa ating daily gabay tarot reading for August 31, 2023. Please like, subscribe, and click bell button para updated po kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Maraming salamat po. Spirit guys, ano po ang energy today ni water signs, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio? The Star, wow. Nine of Cups. Nagkaroon ng hope, nagkaroon ng healing. Ilan sa inyo nagkaroon ng opportunities or renewal sa inyong buhay pag-ibig. Makaka-receive din kayo ng unexpected help from others, sa iyong pamilya, sa iyong kaibigan, or sa iyong relatives. May pag-asa kang madama, maging positibo at gumawa ng paraan. This card offers hope and guidance. So kung nahihirapan ka ngayon, have faith that your luck is about to change for the better. Maaari ring inspired kayo ngayon to create a beauty and style in your home. This card tells you na all your dreams are coming true. Wow, this is good news for you, water signs. Nagkaroon kayo ng satisfaction sa buhay nyo ngayon, nagkaroon ng abundance. Abundance sa bahay, sa kaperahan, sa karera, sa negosyo. Thankful kayo ngayon sa mga biyayang natanggap nyo. You have overflowing abundance. So this is the positive reading. And ito na that will make you happy, successful, and satisfied ka sa buhay. This card asks you to relax and enjoy what you've worked hard to achieve. Share your good fortune to others and your generosity will always flow back to you. That is the message po. What is the advice for water signs, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio? Ano po ang mensahe nyo para kay water signs, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio? Do not be frustrated. Let go and feel peaceful. Transformation. Let love transform you forever. What is the message for career and money for water signs, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio ngayong August 30? Some of you, nagkaroon ng stagnation sa buhay karera nyo ngayon, sa inyong workplace, sa inyong negosyo. Nilalaban mo ang pagbabago, natatakot ka sa changes dahil hindi mo gusto mag-move on. Gusto mong bumalik sa nakaraan. Siguro, some of you nagkaroon ng bankruptcy noon. Kaya you are forcing the situation na magkaroon ng result agad. You felt anxious and stressed. Ending the situations means new opportunity is coming. A new beginning. It may be uncomfortable, pero this card tells you na let go and trust the universe and yourself. So don't put back blockages. Water signs, don't put blockages. Hayaan mo na magkaroon ng transformation sa inyong buhay. If you are in a new cycle sa inyong buhay karera, that is normal na maka-feel kayo ng nakabado kayo. So, be positive na malampasan mo ito. So, some of you nagkaroon ng abuse of power. It might be nakaranas kayo sa inyong workplace na maabusong leader or workmate. May taong hindi marunong magpahalaga. It might be you or yung boss or yung ka-workmate. May kakilala kang nag-abuse of power sa isang sitwasyon. You are holding grudges or acting like a bully, yung kasamahan mo. Kaya hanggat maaga, maiwasan mo na ang taong ito. Let's see your love and romance. Water signs. Nagkaroon kayo ng disconnection from your intuition or sa iyong kapareha. Ilan sa inyo may hidden motives, nagkaroon ng confusions. This card is a sign of a disconnection from your intuition or sa iyong kapareha. Nagkaroon ka ng overthinking and overanalyzing the situation. Instead na magkaroon ka ng tiwala sa iyong sarili, nagre-rely ka sa guidance sa opinion ng iba. So the advice is listen to your intuition. Trust your intuition. This is also means wala kang alam sa mga pangyayari. You refuse to look within. Nagkaroon kayo ng fear of change. So this is the confirmation na nagkaroon kayo ng hesitations. This is a sign na it's not the right time to take a risk sa mga balak mong simulain or balak mong kausapin yung kapareha mo dahil nagkaroon kayo ng tampuhan. Dahil nagkaroon kayo ng tampuhan. So, this is not the right time muna kasi mainit pa ang iyong ulo. This is also means takot kang mag-move forward or takot ka sa mga challenges na na-encounter nyo ngayon. Nagkaroon ng hesitation to step out from your comfort zone. May solid plan ka na pero hindi mo pa ginawa. Kumbaga, mamaya na. What is the love advice for water signs? Emotions are a natural and necessary part of life, but they can also distort your perception and cloud your vision. In order to see things clearly, you must let go of resentment. So the advice is, let go of resentment na para makita mo ang katotohanan. So what's the advice? Spirit guys, ano pa po ang advice nyo para kay water signs ngayong August 30? Your dreams need a practical plan. So this is the confirmation na kailangan ng solid plan. What is the advice? Angels advice, Archangels advice for water signs ngayong August 30, 2023. Spirit guides, angel, archangels, advice niyo po kay water signs. Clear sentience. Sabi ni Archangel Raguel, notice your recurring physical and emotional feelings as they signify divine guidance. So you are divinely guided. That is your reading today, water signs. Balik po kayo dito bukas para sa August 31 reading natin. Please like, subscribe, and click bell button para po updated kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Maraming salamat po.